Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another video testing. Welcome to another vlog, another unboxing. So ang i-review natin ngayon ay airgun pistol. Okay, so this is not an airsoft, this is airgun. Okay, by the way, shout out kay Sir Arnold of Tagaytay. Okay, so this is the Glock 17 airgun. Yan, 4.5mm. This is steel BB version. Okay, kasi meron pellet version nito eh. This one is steel BB version. Glock 17 airgun Gen 5 by Umarex. Officially licensed product of Glock. Umarex brand. Okay. Open the box. Wow. So may kasama na siyang oil, silicone oil. May kasama na po pala siyang CO2. Bali, ang CO2 niyang kasama ay 5 piraso. At yung steel BBs, 4.5mm diameter. So, ito po yung steel BBs niya. Ito po yung bala niya, steel BBs. Yan, bulitas po. 4.5mm in diameter. So, ibig sabihin po, mas maliit po siya compare sa airsoft BBs, plastic BBs. So, ito siya. Glock 17 Gen 5. Ganda ng serrations niya sa front. Oh. May serrations din siya sa rear. Yan. Yung grip niya, napaka ganda ng texture. Pulido yung markings. No? Glock 17 Gen 5 Austria. So, this is officially licensed by Glock, Umarex brand. Ayan naman sa kabilang side. Naka-U-side siya. Pwede siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Pwede siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung flashlight. Ayan po yung ating flashlight. Ito na lang yung available natin. Ayan, pwede siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Pero hindi siya pwedeng lagyan ng suppressor or tracer units, no? Kasi hindi naman siya katulad sa airsoft na may thread yung barrel niya. Itong barrel niya kasi walang thread yan. Ayan. Meron, naka po ito, naka smooth bore po ang kanyang inner barrel. Okay, yung magazine po nito ay, ayan po. Nilagyan ko na siya ng CO2, sir. Dahil tinest po namin. So, ito po ay 18 rounder capacity. Okay, 18 rounder capacity po. Lagay tayo ng bala. Again, this is the steel BB version. Ito po yung bala niya, steel BBs. Kasi yung pellet version nito, yung bala nun, yung tingga, yung lead. Lead po yun. Yan, taktak mo lang siya, sir. So, 18 rounder capacity po siya. Then, may kasama siyang hex screw, yung pampihit po, no? Dito. Ayan. Then, may kasama po siyang manual. Instruction manual and the maintenance and safety manual. Maintenance and safety manual. Tapos, ito naman yung sa operating instruction manual. Yan po. Okay. Yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo ulit, sir. Glock 17 Gen 5 airgun pistol by Umarex. Okay. Testing. Testing tayo. By the way, meron siyang safety sa ilalim. Ito po. Kung red po yan, that's fire. Kung makikita mo dyan white, that's safe. Yan. Tapos yung trigger po nito, medyo malalim po, ano, trigger nito. Yan, malalim po yan. Hanggang sa dulo yan. Malalim. Pag kinalabit nyo, ba't ayaw pumutok? Kasi malalim po eh. Ayan po. Yan, malalim po. Okay? So, testing. Okay, testing Glock 17 Gen 5 by Umarex. This is airgun pistol, chambered in 4.5mm diameter steel BBs. Okay, nasa 500 to 600 feet per second. Firing. One shot. Oh. Wow. Lakas ng sipa, lakas ng recoil. Pwede ka rin mag-double tap dito. Ayan. Okay, open slide. Ganda. Release mag. Fall back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, again, this is the Glock 17 Gen 5. This is the Steel BB version by Umarex. Fully licensed by Glock. Airgun pistol, C-auto powered, chambered in 4.5mm steel BBs. Thank you and have a nice day.